Hi everybody, in this video we're gonna see how to play the game 10 again. It's for an age group 5 and above. In the box you're gonna get your cards and an instruction sheet. So let's see the game setup. The eldest player will shuffle the cards. Now after shuffling we'll pick up one card, place it face down and keep it in the center. This becomes your discard pile. The remaining cards go besides it in the center of the group. This becomes your draw pile. Now let's start the game. Now the person who dealt the card, the one on the right of the dealer, will pick up the card. Now on every turn, the player can pick up a card either from the discard pile or from the draw pile. But only green cards can be picked up from the discard pile, not any other color. Okay, so let's suppose that there are three players, A, B, and C. So I will just pick up a card. So I'm not going to pick up this card. Just for my chances, I'm going to pick up this card. Okay, not bad. I'm going to keep it. Now the turn goes to player B. Now player B has again wants to take a chance, so is going to pick up from the draw pile. Okay, not bad. Player C can pick up again from the draw pile or the discard pile, but player C decides to take it from the discard pile. So this is what player C has picked up. Okay, now don't worry. I know you can see the hearts here. We'll come to this later. At the end of the game, there is a scoring section. These play a very important role in your scoring section. Now let's go ahead and play the game. So now that there's nothing in the discard pile, I, player A, don't have an option but to pick up from the draw pile. Okay. Now let's see if I can use this card anywhere. Now as you know that only cards can be placed besides each other if the numbers add up to 10. So let's see, can I add it here? 8 plus 1 is 9, so I cannot add. 9 plus 1 is 10, so I can add it like that. But as you can see, there's one more option. 8 plus 2 is also 10, so I can either add it like that or I can add it like that. So I'm going to just add it like this. 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay, now the play goes to player B. Now player B has picked up a card. Oh wow, what did we see here? A star. A star means that this place can be taken by any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So as you can see over here, but here as you can see there are two blanks. No card can be placed besides blanks. So this card can be either placed near 4 or 1. As we know, stars can go anywhere. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it like this. So this can be a 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. Now let's go to player C. Now player C has picked up a card. Oh, a pass. So this means that player C has to pass its turn. So the play is done. I get the chance. Now I can pick up a card from the discard pile or the draw pile. But as you can see, this is not a green card. So I cannot pick up from here. I need to pick up a card from the draw pile. Picked up a card. Oh, there you see a bomb. So as a heart, there's similar importance to a bomb, but it will come at the end of the game. So let's go ahead and see if I can use this card. Can I use? I cannot keep near the blanks, of course, as you know, that's blocked. Oh, I can use a 8 with a 2, which is a 10. Yes, that's correct. So this is my chain. Now the play goes to player B. So again, player B has to pick up from here. Oh wow, let's see what this card is. It's called pick and use. So this player can pick up a card from any other player's chain and can use it in its own chain. And they have to use it. If it cannot be used in their chain, they cannot pick up the card. So let's see what they can choose. So they can choose any of the open cards from the chain. So guys, you need to concentrate. In my chain, this card is blocked by 2 cards. So this is not an open card. A card is an open card if three sides of the card are open and only one is blocked. As you can see, this is an open card, this is a closed card, and this is an open card. So player B can choose either this, or he can choose from player C. All the four sides are open. So let's see, the player B decides to choose this card because he knows that 3 and 7 can come up to 10. Okay, now the play goes to player C. Player C has picked up a card and called remove. Take an open card from any player's chain and place it in the draw pile. So player C can choose both of these cards are open for me, but for player B, only this card and these cards are open. As you know, all three sides should be open. So player C has decided to take this card and put it in the draw pile. Okay, let's do that. Now the player C's turn is done. I get the turn. Player A. I've picked up a card and I got a discard card. Okay, what does discard do? Discard an open card from your chain and place it in the draw pile. Oh my god, this really hurts. Okay, I'm just going to take randomly one and I'm going to put it in the draw pile. Okay, let's see what player B gets now. Okay, a 2 and a 3. So as you know, this is a star and this can be any number. So I can just put a 3 here and this becomes a 7. Now I'm going to move ahead in the game and let's see when does this game actually end. So this game actually ends when the first person has a chain of 10 cards. So I'm going to quickly go ahead, play a few more rounds and let's see how we end the game. Now player C was the last person to play. Now player sees that he's put this card and his chain is almost complete. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whereas I have only 2 and player B has 1, 2, 3, 4. So technically player C is in the position to yell 10 again. Perfect. Now this is where the play ends. Now comes the scoring section. Now let's see how do you do the scoring. As you can see, there's a heart, there is a bomb, and then there are cards which has nothing in the middle. Okay, there are stars, that's okay, but what is there in the middle is important. So any card which has a heart in the middle gets 2 points. Any card which has a bomb in the middle gets 0 points, and nothing in the middle has 1 point. So let's start counting scores. Player A, that is me, has 1, 1, that is 2 points. Player B has 1, 2, 0, 0. So it has 2 points again, same as me, even though our chains are different. Player B has 4 cards in their chain and I have just 2 cards. Still our scores are the same. But player C, let's see what is the score of player C. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. So the score of player C is 11. Now player C had 10 cards but the score is 11. So the winner of this game is player C. There can also be a possibility that there are 2 players who has, like one player has a chain of 9 cards, the other person who's ended the game has a chain of 10 cards, but the score of the person who had 10 cards was maybe lesser because they got a lot of bombs, and the player with 9 cards but has more score can win the game. So guys, I hope you enjoy playing this game with your family and friends. The only way to win in this game is to do fast addition, mental maths, and a lot of strategies. Please let us know your feedbacks in the comment section. Do follow us on Instagram to know more about our games and activities. Thank you.